The problem: it's hard to keep track of all the products and services that we have subscribed to every month. All we see is money deducting from our accounts, sometimes from services that we don't need anymore. How can you design a product which helps manage subscriptions? At first, let's understand the problem statement. Money is deducting every month without the permission of users. Why this problem needs to be solved? To help users to manage subscriptions. So, now what can be the solution for this problem? 1. Let the users see their subscribed product services clearly. 2. Let the users have control over the cancel subscription so that they can cancel the subscription if they don't want. 3. Let the users have control to manage their subscription by easily renewing their service. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. Please comment down if you have any better solution for this.